Let's learn 20 colors with Pupil Planet. Hello kids! Today we will learn 20 colors with this beautiful book. Let's start! Color name. This is white. White book. Color name. This is purple. Purple book. Color name. This is violet. Violet book. Color name. This is deep blue. Deep blue book. Color name. This is cobalt blue. Cobalt blue book. Color name. This is rust brown. Rust brown book. Color name. This is coral orange. Coral orange book. Color name. This is peach. Peach book. Color name. This is yellow. Yellow book. Color name. This is orange. Orange book. Color name. This is brown. Brown book. Color name. This is gray. Gray book. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.